Hello kids, let's learn amazing snake. Green tree python shedding tree. Bright green snake that lives in trees. Babies are yellow or red and change color as they grow. King cobra, the longest venomous snake, can grow up to 18 feet.
Whoa! Whoa!
Can raise 1/3 of its body and hiss loudly. Rattlesnake, has a rattle at the end of its tail that sounds like a warning bell. It rattles before attacking, like a natural alarm. Anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes, can weigh over 200 kilograms. Can stay underwater for 10 minutes. Coral snake, small but very poisonous.
Hooray!
Its colorful pattern warns predators, stay away. Burmese python, one of the largest snakes, can grow over 20 feet long. Swallows prey whole and hides in water. Flying snake, yes, it glides through the air.
Whoa! Whoa!
It flattens its body and jumps from tree to tree. Hognose snake, pretends to be dead when scared. Flips over, sticks out tongue, and acts like a drama star. Milk snake, looks like a coral snake but not venomous. Colorful stripes trick predators.
Hooray!
Sea snake, lives in the ocean and is highly venomous. Can hold its breath for up to 2 hours. Ball python, rolls into a ball when frightened. Popular pet snake for kids and beginners.
Whoa!
Boa constrictor, powerful constrictor, hugs its prey to stop it from breathing. Doesn't use venom. Rosy boa, small and friendly snake with rosy color. Slow moving and calm, great for learning. Black mamba, one of the fastest and deadliest snakes in the world. Can slither at 20 kilometers per hour, like a sports car.
Whoa!
Vine snake, thin green snake that blends with vines. Almost invisible in trees, master of camouflage.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.